Ask the Experts is brought to you by Seaman Law Offices, the keystone to your family's legacy.
Welcome to Ask the Expert. I'm here today with Doreen Seaman of Seaman Law Offices. Hello, Doreen. Thank you for joining us.
Hi, Krista. It's good to see you today.
Great. So what will you be talking to us about today?
Well, I'm an estate planning attorney. So I would say I often see clients struggle with decision making. I meet people and we talk about their concerns, their goals, their finances. We discuss their estate planning options, and I recommend the plan that I think best meets their goals.
But that's not always the plan they choose. What if you make a suggestion and they don't follow that?
Yeah, sometimes people take a different estate planning route than I expected, or they just take a little bit longer to make decisions. Our estate plans range from simple wills to more complicated trusts, depending on that particular client's goals. But that being said, I realize sometimes clients need a little more time, and we're fine with that because we want them to move forward at a pace they're comfortable with.
And your documents are created to complement each other, is that right?
Yes, so all of our estate plans build on each other, kind of like Legos. So doing them in small steps is no problem. We just created a living trust for a client we'll call Andy, and he wanted to avoid probate when he died. And I was surprised that he didn't create a living trust last year when we first met. At that time, he just opted for our foundation plan. But that's okay because the trust we did this year does build on that foundation that we created last year.
Okay, obviously it wouldn't have worked out as well if he died last year because he wouldn't have had that trust to avoid probate, the public and time-consuming legal process of administering a person's estate according to his will. Is that right?
That's true. Planning early is always the recommended route, but I understand that for one reason or another, clients like Andy choose to break it into smaller pieces. The most important thing is that Andy's paying attention to his estate plan and he's preparing for his future.
Definitely something that we all need to do. That you would like to make a complimentary estate planning consultation with Doreen, you can call 304-554-2900 or visit SeamanLawOffices.com. Thank you so much for joining us again.
Thank you, Krista.
Ask the Experts has been brought to you by Seaman Law Offices, the keystone to your family's legacy.